Welcome back to a new Meister release. Today we have the SPACEBOX. It's a new 510 battery, and this is one of the most premium ones that we have released yet. This unit is powered by USB-C, and that's going to be 5 rapid button presses to power on or off. Now we're going to go ahead and insert a 510 cartridge here. For the actual use, this is inhale activated, or you can actually hold down and press the button. As you can see, it's the 5 button presses to turn it on, and this is one of the most advanced displays that we've ever had. So you can press one at a time on the button to change this voltage by the decimal point, or you can actually hold down and change that very rapidly. It's going to go from 1.8 to 4.2. Press again to restart that, and you can change it very fast by holding it down. So again, that's 1.8 to 4.2. You can change it by the decimal point with the singular presses, or you can also go very fast like this. There's also a puff counter down here. If you're going to reset that, let's demonstrate here. So we just put 6 puffs on it. If we want to restart this, it's going to be the same as our other units. It's going to be 3 button presses, but it's going to be 1, 2, long third. Put 5 more puffs on here. 1, 2, long third. And it's going to reset that. This unit also has a removable mouthpiece if you want to get in there and clean it. This allows you to do so, and you can clear this entire chamber here with the removable mouthpiece. This is a pretty powerful battery at 1000 mAh. And it holds up to 2-gram cartridges. Now you've got the necessary information to get started with your unit. The very last thing is that we do have an adjustable airflow on the bottom here. So that allows you to open up some additional airflow. Now with that being said, you should be able to get going with your SPACEBOX. We hope you enjoy, and stay tuned for any additional accessories. The side also lights up and changes with your voltage. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has helped you get set up with your SPACEBOX.